Hello guys, welcome to filter effects of Photoshop. How to add, create flame, trees or lens flare in Adobe Photoshop. This is a candle and now I need to add fire flame for this candle. First you must go to filter, take a look. There you have in render flame. So if you need to create or add flame, there you must select the path and then use this filter. It means select the path from the pen tool, select path and hold Alt key, scroll mouse, move it a little way down, one click, second and third. I need to draw a flame like this. Go back to filter and go to render, select flame. So I don't need multiple flames one direction. I need to use candle light like this. So if you need to control, there you can control from here. So control the jag and control the opacity. Then click OK. And now deselect the path. You can see the result. So let me turn off the extras. Here you can see the candle light of the flame. So let's go to another sample. I need to create or add a tree here. So select the path and select here pen tool and select from there the path. Click here. I need to add a tree here. Go back to filter and go to render, select the tree and wait. There you can see different type of trees. Select this sample, select another sample. So select one of these sample. If you need to control, there you can control the direction light, control the leaves amount and control the leaf size. From here control the branch, control the thickness, and you can control another details by going to advanced tab and click OK. Wait for the result and turn off the extras. There you can see the realistic tree in this image. So let's go to another sample. So if you need to add the light for the back side of the car, you must go to filter, first select the layer, go to image, change to RGB, go back to filter, go to render, select the lens flare, one click here, little bit down from the 100% to 60, click OK. Once again go to filter and go to render, select the lens flare and one click here, control to 100% and finally click OK. There you can see the light of the car. So if you need to save the photo image like this, go to file and click on save a copy, select the desktop and set the format JPG or JPEG, set the name of the file final, let's say final, click save, save your final result, final image in JPEG or JPG. Okay guys, this was about 3 important effects by using the render tab from the filter menu of Photoshop 2025.